Twitter as a platform has over 206 million active daily users, and research has shown that over 93% of people who follow a brand intend to buy from it. Here are a few ways to intelligently think about Twitter in terms of growing your presence. First, let's look at Twitter chats. Twitter chats are similar to live events. They revolve around a hashtag and/or a brand account. Twitter chats have an agenda. Ask questions. Engage in a real conversation with your audience. Next, let's think about Twitter Spaces. Twitter Spaces are similar to Instagram Live. They're audio only. People can raise their virtual hand and join in on the conversation if you let them. So while you may have planned speakers, it's still a wonderful way to have an open Q&A, thus helping your conversation get even bigger and broader than maybe it was even initially intended. And then there's Twitter polls. With Twitter polls, you can effectively survey your audience. It's a great way to ask questions about your brand, ask their opinion about, for example, which logo should we go to next. By using Twitter polls effectively, you'll have increased engagement on your Twitter account. And let's think about Twitter Moments. Twitter Moments is a really interesting functionality that involves tweet commentary around a subject or around an event. And one interesting way to use Twitter Moments is to resurface old tweets or old conversations that are relevant to a conversation happening now. Finally, be consistent. By finding the right tone of voice and also cadence of your content, you're allowing your audience to feel comfortable with who you are on Twitter. And they'll keep coming back for the right kind of content and engagement. By focusing on a targeted audience within that broader community, you'll be able to grow your brand on Twitter in no time flat.